So it all starts with your web presence, and there are 3 ways you can go about it. You can do a separate mobile website that loads on a subdomain. So yourwebsite.com now it stays on there. That's your desktop version. And then m.yourwebsite.com is where your mobile website resides. And we built several of these in the last few years until Google changed the rules. The next way is you can do an integrated mobile website that's part of your website, and the entire site is optimized for both both desktops and mobile. And then you can also develop a mobile app for your business, and I'll talk about these in just a few minutes. There are pros and cons to each of these approaches, and if you have to make a choice based on your business and marketing strategies, we understand that. We do have one recommendation. What we recommend is a mobile responsive site. It's better to optimize a single site that's designed to look great on both desktop and mobile devices. So you can see right here, if you went to elitepreschool.org, you would find a great looking little desktop version of the website. And then if you look online in the mobile device, this is what you're going to see at the very top. So we're going to see their brand, we're going to see their phone number, the ability to schedule a tour. We're going to tell them about walk-in. So right in this little 2-inch box, we've given every potential parent the opportunity to call the center, schedule a tour, and made them aware of when we're willing to do walk-in tours as well. So we're recommending that mobile responsive device. Make sure it's easy to read and navigate throughout the entire site. So there's ways to do that. And essentially what you're looking at is you should be looking at a variation of text, then an image, then text, then an action item. So call us today, and then more text telling about what you do, why they should choose you. And it's more cost effective than having multiple sites to maintain. So if you have what's called a dedicated mobile site, it sounds good, but it's totally separate from your desktop. And so every time you make a change on your desktop, you have to go over and make a change on your dedicated mobile site. Again, 3 years ago, that was a common practice because that was all the technology could do at that time. But in the last year or so, the mobile responsive websites are the new thing, and there's big benefits to making that switch. So that's our recommendation. So I got a couple of questions here. So Jason asks, is there a difference between mobile responsive and mobile friendly? Not really. We just, in the trade, in the online marketing trade, commonly refer to it as mobile friendly. So I can see on the screen, that particular website right there is mobile friendly. And mobile responsive just refers really to the technology that we're looking at. So let's go on here. So standalone mobile websites, which I'm talking about, dedicated mobile, Google actually penalizes sites that are not fully mobile optimized. And you want to be making sure that you follow these guidelines when you're building your site. So number 1, do not redirect mobile visitors to a different subdomain. Dedicated mobile websites are an outdated solution. Use a WordPress mobile responsive website for best results. Google really loves the architecture around WordPress. So if you're going to be building a new website anytime in the near future, make sure that whoever you're using is doing it in a WordPress mobile responsive theme. That's what the exact terminology is. WordPress mobile responsive theme.